I'm yet to work, Joel, with any man. Yet to work with any man who's got anxiety, who hasn't got dysfunctional breathing. I still haven't met any man. And any man who says to me they've got ADHD, they've got these symptoms, they can't sleep, the mind's busy, the mind won't stop. And we do a couple of breathing tests with them, and immediately I say to them, you've got dysfunctional breathing, your breathing mechanics are just not on point. You know, they've got desynchronized breathing, they're breathing into the chest. They're sort of mind blown at how simple something is and how easy it is to just start to implement some of these simple practices. A morning breathing practice, a nighttime breathing practice, daily breath awareness, just at certain moments when you're holding, when you're huffing, when you're sighing.